Hey guys, it's Alan from BMW Durham. We just got in an M Performance Edition M340i 2021 model year, and I just wanted to make a little video comparing the exhaust note on this one. So just give me a moment, let me get right to it. Alright, so that was the cold start. Now that it's warmed up a little bit, what we're going to do is we're going to put it in Sport Plus. Okay, so we're in Sport Plus now. Let's see what it sounds like. Alright, so you heard it for yourself. That's the 2021 M340i M Performance Edition. I just wanted to make a video to compare the exhaust sound just because some of you have been asking me if there's any difference. This one definitely sounds a little bit better than the regular 2021 M340i, but you let me know in the comments below what you think, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.